How to create a garden and outdoor decor e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account, and if you already have an account, just go with login and proceed to type in your email or your username. And after typing your email, just click on next, and then you will be able to type in your password. Then you will click on login in. So let's type in our password first. It's loading. And here, after typing your password, click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. So after typing the name, click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. Choose the answer that fits you, and then do the same with this other question. Then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So my store is about garden and outdoor decor. So let's see if we can find something related to that niche. So here we have home and living, sports and recreation, tools and parts. So I'm just going to go with other. That's what you do if you can't find your category in this list. Just click on other, then go with continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, type in the address. If not, just skip this step and then give them a few seconds to build your store. And here, this is your dashboard. As you can see, in your right you have the edit site button and also the design now button, and both of them take us to the editing phase. And in your left you have 9 sections, and I'm going to explain each one of these sections for you. So starting with website, we can find again the edit site button and also the domains button, where you can create your domains, your domain name, or change the one that you already have. And that's it for this section. Then we have the items section, where you have the site items, where you can create new products or change the ones that you already have. Then we have the site categories, where you can categorize the products that you created before. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. Then we have the orders section, where you can check all of your orders, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, and the cancelled one also. Then we have the fulfillment section, where we have the pickup settings and also the shipping settings. Then we have the reports section, where you have the site's traffic reports, site's activity reports, sources reports, online sales reports, and site items reports, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, just click on summary. Then we have the marketing section, where we have, and in this section you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting with the email, automated ads, mailing lists, segments, setup. And on top of that, if you want to see the summary of all these tools, just click on summary. Then we have the communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, abandoned carts. And last but not least, you have the settings section, where you have the general settings if you want to change the company name or your address, your email, or your phone number. So you can change all of these in the general settings. So just give it a few seconds to load. And here you can change your company name, your address, your email, and your phone number. Then we have the checkout, where you can set your payment processors, connect your Stripe account, or connect your PayPal account. Also, you can change the country and the currency of your store. Then we have the sales taxes, where you can set your taxes, and the units, where you can change the language, or you can edit the units that you already have. So that's it guys for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase. Just give it a few seconds to load. So by clicking on the edit site button, Yeah, we'll proceed to the editing phase. So just give it a few seconds to create your store or to build it. As you can see, just a second while we build your site. And now it will show up. Here it is, it's still loading. Here you have the setup guide if you want to go with it. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. And then we have the styles, and this is the first step we go through to create our store, which is choosing one of these styles for our store. So just wait for the store to be fully loaded, then we will choose one of these styles. So I think I'm going to choose the first one and check if it fits my store. I think I can find something better. Let's choose this one and let's see. So I think this one will do the job. So here click on apply site styles. Then you have the site design, where you can again change the style that you chose before, and you can also add an image to be your logo, or change the colors if you want, or change the fonts, which I'm going to change. I don't like these fonts. I'm going to change it to Comforta, this one. Then click on done. After that, I'm going to change the shape of the buttons and images from sharp to rounded, and for images I will just leave it rounded. Then click on done. And here if you want to change the elements, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free version to the paid one. And when you're done, click on done. Then if you want to search for a domain name, you can just type the domain name in here and click on search. If not, just close this one and dismiss all. Again dismiss. And here you have the sections and the pages that you have in your template. If you want to change them, delete one of them, hide it or show it, adjust it, and everything you'd want. Then if you want to create new section or page, item or category, you can just do that by clicking on the plus button here, and you can create one of the ones that you want. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section down below.